And we would like to wish you all the best, but I know you will because that's who you are.
One by one, each teacher stood up to say something special about the graduates. Now, it's an exciting time as 21 students graduated this year, the most ever. And there were some students who had more responsibilities than others. Brandy Gervais gave birth only a month and a half ago. Now, she said her daughter Cecilia is her inspiration.
For my girl, to get an education, to finish my grade 12, because I should have finished last year, but I needed to get it done, so for my baby.
What's even more impressive is that Brandy returned to school only 4 days after giving birth. In fact, 5 of the students graduating have children. Now, for Kristen Argue, she says it was tough balancing both books and mommyhood, but that it was all worth it. She's already looking at post-secondary schooling.
It was always my plan, actually. I always wanted to be a dental hygienist, so I always had that in the back of my mind. I guess probably a year ago I didn't think I was going to do it, but now I have a lot of motivation.
And for these students, post-secondary education is now a reality.
That's nice. It took a while, so it's nice to finally get done. Well, now I can move on and go on to bigger things, hopefully apply for college.
As for the principal, he gets choked up thinking about how far these students have come.
It gets pretty emotional. Like you see the growth throughout the years. Like some students we've only had for a few months, some we've had for a few years. But each and every one of them, they're working hard. Came crunch time, they did it.
Naramanisa, Newcap News.